Lamborghini Diablo FUT 6.0 SC.
In 1990, Lamborghini debuted the powerful Lamborghini Diablo, a high-performance sports car. As it approached its farewell, they celebrated with just 42 limited edition Lamborghini Diablo VT 6.0 SE cars, each boasting a fierce 6.0-liter V12 engine churning out 549 horsepower. With a revamped nose, air dam, and fenders, this ride meant serious business. These rare gems became collectors' dreams, and hold your breath, among the 42, 20 were even more elusive models, the Oro Helios and the Marrone Eclipsis. Finding one was like chasing unicorns on rainbows, a quest only the bravest dare to embark upon.
Lamborghini Jalpa.
Once upon a time, in the neon-colored era of the 80s, Lamborghini had a wild idea: to create a car that wouldn't break the bank. Behold, the Lamborghini Jalpa was born. With a price tag starting at $60,000, it was meant to be an affordable luxury ride. They built 410 of these bad boys over 8 years. Under its flashy hood, the Jalpa packed a 3.0-liter Lamborghini V8 engine, belting out a respectable 255 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. Not too shabby, right?
Lamborghini Gallardo Squadra Corse.
In 2013, Lamborghini unleashed the track-focused Lamborghini Gallardo Super Trofeo, captivating enthusiasts. Responding to the frenzy, they conjured a street-legal version, the exclusive Lamborghini Gallardo Squadra Corse. Only 50 units were crafted, with a scarce 15 making their way to the U.S. Beneath its sleek exterior, a roaring 5.2-liter V10 engine powered this stallion with an incredible 562 horsepower. Brace yourself for street and track domination, as this limited edition marvel left jaws dropping and hearts racing with its ferocious power and undeniable allure.
Lamborghini Centenario.
Lamborghini knows how to party. In 2017, they celebrated Ferruccio Lamborghini's 100th birthday with a limited edition marvel, the Lamborghini Centenario. With only 40 units made, 20 coupes and 20 convertibles, this exclusive beauty paid homage to the company's founding father. Beneath its sleek exterior lurked a roaring 6.5-liter V12 engine, tuned to unleash a mind-boggling 759 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque. Oh, it's a beast. Like a rocket on wheels, this Centenary wonder sped through the streets, leaving everyone spellbound with its power and elegance. Ferruccio would have been proud.
Lamborghini Sian.
Behold the Lamborghini Sian, the hybrid supercar that picked up the Aventador's torch. With a meager 63 coupes and 19 roadsters ever gracing the streets, this raging bull logo-wielding beauty became the stuff of legends. Outrageous styling and cutting-edge tech. Oh yes, Lamborghini delivered as usual. This beast claimed the title of the most potent Lamborghini of its time, flexing its muscles and showing off its insane power. But all that power came at a price, a staggering $3.6 million, making it pricier than a Pagani Zonda R. Talk about rolling in luxury with a big fat price tag.
Lamborghini Countach LP400.
Enter the Lamborghini Countach LP400, the poster child of every teenager's dream to own a Lambo someday. But here's the twist. This beauty had a dark secret. The rear visibility was atrocious, forcing Lamborghini to pull off a sneaky move and introduce a periscopic rearview mirror. Talk about finding a solution in the strangest places. Despite its visibility woes, the LP400 held its own in the supercar world. With only 150 units ever made, it became a rarity that enthusiasts cherish. One of these lucky rides even found a cozy spot in the collection of none other than the legendary Rod Stewart, living the rock star life. The Countach LP400 was a rebellious beauty that captured hearts and continues to be an unforgettable chapter in Lamborghini's history, giving birth to the supercar revolution we know and love today.
Lamborghini Aventador LP720-4 50th Anniversario.
For Lamborghini's momentous 50th anniversary, they went all out with an extravagant celebration. Introducing the awe-inspiring Lamborghini Aventador LP720-4 50th Anniversario. Limited to only 100 units, This ferocious beast stole the show. Its striking design featured a jaw-dropping splitter, flaps, and colossal air intakes. Beneath the hood lurked a mighty 6.5-liter V12 engine, capable of churning out a mind-blowing 710 horsepower. Talk about power on demand. This mesmerizing creation showcased Lamborghini's true mastery in the art of automotive excellence. With the Aventador Anniversario, Lamborghini once again proved that age was just a number, a supercar king reigning supreme. The world was left in awe as this limited edition gem became an unforgettable milestone in Lamborghini's glorious journey.
Lamborghini Countach LP400.
In a world where Lamborghini rarely ventures into second generations, behold the astonishing return of the Countach. In a groundbreaking twist, they're reviving the legendary name. But with a twist, only 112 units of this new supercar will grace the roads. The new Countach takes inspiration from the mighty Sian FKP 37, sporting a potent naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with an electric motor, packing a jaw-dropping total of 802 horsepower. With a 7-speed automated manual transmission channeling power to all 4 wheels, it zooms from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an eye-watering 2.8 seconds and hits 124 miles per hour in just 8.6 seconds, with a top speed of 221 miles per hour. And to own this gem, you'll need to cough up a cool $2.64 million. Welcome back, Countach.
Lamborghini Sesto Elemento.
Hold your brakes, folks, because we've reached the peak of wildness on this list. Presenting the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, also known as the Sixth Element. This bad boy is a showstopper, looking fast and fierce even when it's just standing still. Clocking in at a mere 2,200 pounds, this beast packs a punch with a ferocious 5.2-liter V10 engine, unleashing a mind-bending 562 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. But what truly sets the Sesto Elemento apart is its carbon fiber wonderland. Everything from its body, chassis, suspension, to its driveshaft is crafted from this lightweight marvel. And let me tell you, they weren't generous with it. Only 20 units were ever made, and none of them are street legal. Oh yes, this dreamy masterpiece is a track-only beast, tearing up the circuits with an unrivaled aura of mystique and power. And there you have it, fellow car aficionados, a thrilling journey through Lamborghini's rare wonders that have left us breathless. From the iconic Diablo to the mesmerizing Sesto Elemento, these limited editions redefine supercars and kindle our dreams. Whether it's the thunder of V12s or the elegance of carbon fiber, Lamborghini's legacy shines. These aren't just cars. They're passion, innovation, and history. As we conclude, remember the pursuit of excellence knows no bounds. So eyes on the road, dreams on fire. Who knows what rare Lamborghini will roar next? Stay fast, fierce, and keep chasing those four-wheeled dreams.